Well, the auction has gone pretty well for us. I think we have probably the most balanced RCB side we've had in many years, and that pleases me a lot as a captain. We're not relying on one skill or the other. I think it's a great balance of spinners, fast bowlers, a couple of all-rounders, spinning all-rounders, fast bowling all-rounders, and obviously the batting has been a strong point for RCB over the years. But I think the bowling department and the strengthening of it has been a massive boost for us from this auction, and I'm pretty optimistic about our chances heading into the IPL.
You have few new players who are playing for the first time. Do you think it will gain the strength and the kind of expectation you have?
Of course, I mean, people around the world have played for different teams. In the T20 leagues, the specialists have done good things for different teams around the world, and that's something that we looked at as well before picking these players. Guys who can contribute to a team culture, guys who are happy contributing on and off the field for the team's cause throughout the IPL, not worried about their personal performances as such, but people who have the right kind of attitude, who believe in team spirit and will keep pushing the team forward no matter what. So I think we've got a great bunch of people, really nice guys. I know all of them. I've played with a few. I know some of them personally also. So as you rightly said, they're new guys who are very excited to be in Bangalore, which I think is probably the best city to be in. While playing the IPL, the players enjoy their time here. It's a relaxed city. And obviously playing the stadium, they've had an experience of...
The whole Karnataka is saying Cup is ours.
And also
Well,
the local hardcore RCB fans have started a slogan called Meesala Cup. And it's gone viral on social media, Facebook, Twitter. In fact, your colleagues in your team also have said that also.
And you also said something.
Well, I was asked to say it. I don't know any Kannada. Of 10, 12 years of being in Bangalore, I don't think I've learnt enough. But yeah, look, the slogan expresses the emotion of the people. It's been a long time. We've made 3 finals. We haven't crossed the line yet. So we've been a team which has been liked all over India, for sure. But especially the people of Bangalore, as I said, they show their passion to the maximum, but they've never shown their frustration with us, which is, I think, an outstanding factor to have from your home crowd. And definitely the team is geared up for doing it for the fans this time, and putting in all our energy into achieving what we haven't in the past. But I can't speak of what's going to happen 2 months down the line. We need to focus on one day at a time and build those little blocks going ahead in the tournament.
What's your reaction to kind of the statements by a very senior cricketer, Mr. Shahid Afridi? He's talking about the border issues at this moment, and are you supporting kind of the statements? Or
Gambhir has hit back also.
Gambhir has hit back and said...
Look, it's
As an Indian, what do you say?
As an Indian, obviously you want to express what is best for your nation, and my interests are always for the benefit of our nation, and if anything opposes it, I would never support it, for sure. But having said that, it's a very personal choice for someone to make comments about certain issues, unless I have total knowledge of. As an Indian, obviously you want to express what is best for your nation, and my interests are always for the benefit of our nation, and if anything opposes it, I would never support it, for sure. But having said that, it's a very personal choice for someone to make comments about certain issues, unless I have total knowledge of the issues and the intricacies of it. I don't engage in it, but definitely, it goes without saying. Obviously, your priorities stay with your nation, and anything that opposes it, you oppose it as well.